My name is Jamal and Sonic Hedgehog over here today, and I got some for Walmart, so no time fooling around. I'm excited, so let's open this. Excuse me, let me open this for a minute. I'll get back with you guys while I open this. Okay, so I got it open, the Sonic Boom CD. Okay, alright, so you see in the back, that's what the whole DVD looked like. So this is what they make the toys. We're gonna watch this after this. So we have all characters from different dimensions. Sonic, I don't know who these people are, I don't know them all. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Get this video, you know what I'm trying to say, video. Thumbs up, comment below, like, share, subscribe. Peace.